To make an ePortfolio, we are going to start on our eCadence dashboard and go to the ePortfolio tab in the middle of the dashboard. You'll notice that at the bottom it says ePortfolio shared with me, and there's a template there for you. You're going to go to Make Copy and click on that. It is going to ask you to add it to the root. You're going to have to click on Root and then click Copy To. You'll notice that it now appears in your own ePortfolio collection. Click on it. And what you're going to do is that ball student template, you're going to erase it and write your own name. First name and last name. Make sure they're capitalized. And then you can add Ball Junior High School ePortfolio. From that point, you'll notice that there is a template box. If you hover over it with the mouse, you should see that it kind of lights up. And what you're going to do is click only one time. There are a lot of options that will pop up, but we are going to select Google Drive. You're going to add a title, 8th grade capstone presentation, or if you're in 7th grade capstone presentation, and then click on your Google Drive button. From this point, you need to locate the presentation that you made in March in your classes. It might be in your capstone folder, it might be somewhere else, but you need to find it. And then you're going to double click and select Proceed. And then you can select the blue button, Add Work. From this point, you're pretty much done. However, if you would like to see what it looks like, you can go to the Actions button on the right-hand side and select Preview. And that will show you what your ePortfolio looks like when somebody else views it. It's pretty simple. And there you go.